Download and annotate assignment file submissions in Blackboard. In this overview, I'm going to show you an easy way to download to your computer all of the submitted assignment files at the same time for a particular assignment. How to download the zip file and extract it to show all of the documents, and then how to open up the documents in Word, add your comments, and save them. Finally, how to return those files to the student with their assignment grade. I'll also show you what things look like to the student. I have an assignment and I've had a couple of students submit papers to the assignment. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to scroll down into the control panel and go to Full Grade Center. As you can see, I have a couple of assignment submissions for the Unit 1 assignment. So I click the drop down arrow next to the column heading and just select Assignment File Download right here. So now I see the list of all of the users here. Now if I click the checkbox next to the name box, I can select all of the users, and then I could download all of the submitted assignments from all users by just clicking the Submit button. If I wanted to select specific users, then I scroll down and I find just the users that I want to download by clicking the check boxes for them, and then I would click Submit. Now to download the assignments, I just click this link that says Download Assignments Now. And depending upon what browser you're using, it's either going to automatically download to your computer's Downloads folder, or you may get an option shown here to ask you if you would like to save the file, in which case it will save it directly to your Downloads folder. So I'll click OK. So here I am in Windows Explorer, and I have the zip file that was downloaded from Blackboard. Now, you have to know how to work with zip files on your own computer, but in my case, I'm going to right click. I'm going to select WinZip, and I'm going to select Unzip to Folder, and it's going to put it right into this exact same folder, except it's going to put all the documents into a brand new folder, which will show in my folder list. And in a moment, you can see here is the folder that it unzipped to. And if I open up that folder, here are the documents. Now notice that there are text files and there's also documents. The text file for each student submission just contains a little bit of log information about that document. What you're really interested in are the actual submissions from each student. So, for example, if I make this a little bigger, you're going to see that it named the documents with the actual name of the assignment itself, and it also put the name of the student. I'm going to open up this document. Okay, so I've opened up one of the documents that the student submitted, and now if I wanted to, I could use the review options in Word in order to add comments or make any changes that I wanted to if I use track changes. For example, let's say that I wanted to tell the student that I thought that this first comment was a good point. I could just click and add a comment and say, this is an excellent point. Now, let's say that I want to save this document and then I want to return it to the student. Now, I can just do a save, and then it would save the document exactly as it was before, or if I wanted to, I could do a save as, and I could give it a shorter name and just call it Unit 1 Assignment UKT Corrected. And this is the document that I'm going to upload back into the assignment to give back to the student. So now that I've renamed the document, I click Save. Okay, I'm back in Grade Center, and here is the student in question. I can see they have their attempt. Now I'm ready to go to their attempt and grade their attempt and return the file that I had corrected. What I want to do here is give the student a grade and return the file to the student. Now I'm going to add some comments here. Click Insert File, select the paper. Here is the assignment submitted with the correction. I select that and open it, and now that assignment has been attached. I click Submit. Now when the student views the assignment, they will open up the corrected assignment. So I'll show you what that looks like from the student's perspective. Now I've logged in as the student. I navigate to My Grades. I click on the little comment box next to the grade, and then as a student I can click this link and I'll open it up in Microsoft Word. Now the student can actually see the comments by clicking on the little comment button there.